Welcome back. There's a big political war playing out in Bengal over Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's legacy, and this is ahead of his 125th birth anniversary, which is on January 23rd. The Modi government has interestingly decided to celebrate Netaji's birth anniversary as Parakram Divas every year. Prime Minister Modi will visit West Bengal on January 23rd, this Saturday, to attend Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birth anniversary celebrations. He will also inaugurate Netaji Subhash Memorial Museum in Kolkata. Hitting out to the BJP, TMC said the Saffron Party is trying to appropriate Bengali icons ahead of elections. Mamta, while addressing a rally in Purulia, said her government was the first to announce Netaji's birth anniversary celebration as Desh Nayak Divas. She also appealed to the centre to declare the day as a national holiday.
आईएनए की धुन पर कदम बढ़ाए जा बीटिंग रिट्रीट में ये गीत शामिल होगा। रक्षा मंत्रालय ने ऐसा फैसला किया है। एयर इंडिया ने विमानों पर नेताजी के चित्र लगाने का फैसला किया है। नेताजी के नाम पर एक एक्सप्रेस रेलगाड़ी रेल मंत्रालय ने तय की है। 5 भारतीय विश्वविद्यालयों में नेताजी से संबंधित 5 पीठों की स्थापना होगी। ये शिक्षा विभाग का फैसला है।
केंद्र की घोषणा करेছে না করেছে it is their here but it is their discretion but we are not happy because the what they have announced I think that even some family members are also not happy I am told. So I do not know about it and I don't want to comment also because Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is a great son of the soil and he is involved. So I don't want to do any politics now also. I want to tell you one thing that Netaji Subhash Chandra is a great man and so he is a great man. He will be a great man and he is a great man for all over the world and that's why Deshok Premik means he is a patriot. We cannot compare the patriotism with Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to anybody else. আমি এখনো মনে করি সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টের ন্যাশনাল হলিডে ডিক্লেয়ার করা উচিত তার জন্য।
We want to give the message to the people of West Bengal that when BJP is creating nuisance, not only nuisance, they want to create a situation so that they can complain to the Delhi that in West Bengal there is no peace. Against that, we have organized the rally with the democratic and peaceful lovers of the citizens of West Bengal.
We believe that a patriot of Netaji's stature deserves much better. We are not satisfied with Parakram Divas. Instead, it should have been Deshaprem Divas, Patriotism Day. That has not been fulfilled. However, we shall observe the day on our own with Mamta Banerjee leading a procession from Shambhajar 5-point statue to Netaji statue on Red Road.
I'm taking this across to Poulomi Saha, who's joining us live from Kolkata. Poulomi, this was perhaps expected, considering that we've been seeing in the last few months a fight between the BJP and the TMC over Bengali icons, over Bengali culture. The latest now is on Netaji's legacy, considering that his birth anniversary is just a few days away.
That's right. A war of words has in fact erupted between the Trinamool Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party in West Bengal ahead of the 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, which will be commemorated by both parties with a lot of gusto, on Saturday here in Kolkata. The Prime Minister will be arriving here and attending several programs which will pay tribute to the freedom fighter. And then, of course, Mamta Banerjee herself will be embarking on a big parade which will go from Shambhajar in Kolkata to Red Road, from one Netaji statue to another, which is about a 9-kilometer stretch that she will be covering in order to pay her respect to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, you've seen that the centre has today announced a whole litany of programs that they will be having and holding the whole year long in order to commemorate Netaji's memory. And the West Bengal government has also said that they will be having several such programs through the year as well. So clearly, Netaji seems to have become the latest icon who was caught in the crossfire between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress ahead of the West Bengal elections.
That's right. And expected to only escalate because the Prime Minister is going to be in Bengal on Saturday, on January 23rd, to mark the birth anniversary of Netaji. Paulami, thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.